Hello Kg2, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will talk about how to use a ruler. I think all of you know what is a ruler, and all of you have it in your pencil cases. As you can see here, I have a picture for a ruler. Can you see what is the starting number here? Yeah, it's 0. Now, we need to know what is a ruler and why we need it. Actually, ruler, it's a tool. We use it to measure the length of an object in centimeters. What does it mean? It means, for example, if you need to find out the length of your pencil, or if you need to find out the length of your finger, you can use a ruler. Now, I have a question. Do you think we can use a ruler to find out the length of a tree? Very good. No, we cannot use it. Why? Because the ruler will be shorter than the tree. So, it's a very important note. We will use ruler only for short length objects. Moving to a very important part. How can we use it? For example, if you need to find out the length of your pencil, you will start to bring your pencil. Then you will align it with the left side of the 0 mark on the ruler. Then you will start to look where your pencil ends. Then you will be able to know the measurement in centimeters. Let's see an example. Here we need to find the length of this pencil. As we said, we will align it with number 0. Very nice. As you can see here, we will start from number 0 and we will align it here with it. And then we will see where it ends. Super! It ends on number 5. So it will be 5 centimeters. Did you notice that? We have here C and M. Actually, cm, it's an abbreviation for centimeter. Here we have 2 more examples. Can you see here? We need to find out the length of this arrow. We will start on 0 and then we will see where it ends. Super! It ends on number 4. So it will be 4 centimeters. Now another example. We have here another arrow and we need to find out its length. We will start with 0 as usual, and we will see where it ends. Super! It ends on number 12, so 12 centimeters. Moving to our exercise, let's start to see. Here, this pencil starting on 0 and ends on number 8. Super! So it will be 8 centimeters. Here, as you can see, starts on 0, ends on 3. Super! So 3 centimeters. That's all about how to use a ruler. Thank you.